I'm Victoria Henderson and I work for Insignis Academy Trust, which is a small trust of currently 4 schools in Aylesbury. And I'm the trust data specialist, so it's my job to make sure that all the data is available for SLT to make decisions on. One of our schools has used 4Matrix for quite a long time, and they were the kind of pioneers for the rest of us moving over to it. And we were looking at how to analyse data that's coming from various different MIS systems at the moment, and 4Matrix seemed like the obvious solution. I've only been using it since the summer because when I joined the trust in April, it was quite a period of change, and I sort of launched into the whole thing with exams results in the summer. Was it easy to use and to learn how to use? It really was. I learned very, very quickly. The support is really helpful, and the documentation that's available is also really clear with step-by-step guides, and it was something that made my life much easier on exams download day. I was missing some data managers, so I had 4 schools to do all in one go, and I don't think I'd have managed it without 4Matrix. We have literally just rolled this out. In fact, I have got 2 schools with data already loaded into it and 1 school who's actually loading their data this week. And we're really excited for Fusion. I've shown it to our CEO, and just the fact that we can see all the schools, we can make comparisons between schools, we can filter out particular demographics and look at how that's comparing across our schools in the trust is really, really helpful. It definitely saves time, and what it really does is it provides the headline data and some in-depth data in a standardised format, so that when I'm reporting that to our SLT, I can give them that information and I can focus efforts and time on things that also make a difference to pupils, so things like attitude to learning, and I can spend more time on that because all of our analysis is done by 4Matrix. When you ring in, quite often you'll find that you've spoken to that person before, and quite often they remember you. I was speaking to Sue one day and I said, I think Joe's contacted you from one of my schools, and she said, oh yes, I know, she was spot on. And that really helps because actually then you've got that continuity of support that you don't necessarily get elsewhere. I'd absolutely recommend 4Matrix. It really does do exactly what you need it to, and it does it in a very straightforward way. It's easy to use and really helpful.